Hi again, 12th standard. Today again I had time to take type 3 of logarithmic differentiation. Okay, so let us see what type 3 is now. Get set, ready? Let's begin. We have already seen two types. लॉग डिफरेंशिएशन के दो टाइप सीख लिए हम लोग. टाइप 1 डे बिफोर, y is equal to x raised to x, x raised to sin x, tan x raised to x. Take logs on both sides, use only one rule of log. Today morning we saw, or some of you are seeing right now, y is equal to combination of multiplication and division of many functions. ऊपर multiplication है, नीचे division है. At that time we take logs. Log of y is equal to log of this. I think कल लिया था वो, correct. And then use log of a into b upon c. Log a plus log b minus log c. Are the two types clear? एक में सिर्फ x raised to x, x raised to sin x रहता है. एक में कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन रहता है, उसमें रूल्स ऑफ लॉग्स यूज करने हैं, टेकिंग लॉग्स ऑन बोथ साइड्स. व्हाई इज इट कॉल्ड लॉगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन? बिकॉज यू हैव टू टेक लॉग्स ऑन बोथ साइड्स. तो आज टाइप 3 देखने वाले. इन टाइप 3 इट इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. y is equal to x raised to x plus 5 raised to x minus e raised to x. there is no multiplication or division sign, plus or minus बीच में रहता है. Now one common mistake that some of you might make or have made previously. X raised to x है, logarithmic differentiation है, agree. But important note, do not take logs on both sides right now. यानी यहाँ पे मत लिखो log of y is equal to log of RHS. Are you following? Don't take log of y is equal to log of this, because once I take log of the right hand side, तो right hand side में कौन सा फॉर्म आ गया देखो, log of a plus b plus c. It is like this. And friends, there is no formula for log of a plus b plus c. Log of a plus b plus c is not equal to, it is not equal to log a plus log b plus log c. ये गलत है. Most common mistake. I'll be pointing out and stressing out on where you can make mistakes also. So इसीलिए if I take log on the RHS, I cannot proceed further because there is no rule of log. So although x raised to x is there, 5 raised to x is there, do not take logs in the very first step. समझ में आया क्यों? ओके. तो अभी लॉग तो नहीं ले सकते, तो क्या करना है? फर्स्ट स्टेप में लॉग नहीं लेने का. So what do we do? Because there is no formula for log a plus b plus c. फॉर्मूला क्या है? कल का फॉर्मूला है log a into b into c. अगर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो it becomes log a plus log b plus log c, or log a plus log b plus log c can be written as log of a into b into c. Multiplication gets converted into addition like this. ब्रैकेट के अंदर अगर प्लस है, you can't do anything. ध्यान में रखो फॉर्मूला. Look again. If you have log of a into b into c as we had yesterday, then it is log a plus log b plus log c. Like this, a into b upon c. Then rules of logs are okay. But यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं कर सकते, right? तो क्या करोगे? If you can't take logs at the very first step, तो क्या करोगे? सिंपल चीज है. Call RHS as u plus v plus w. यानी क्या? First function u, let u equal to x raised to x, v equal to 5 raised to x, w equal to e raised to 8x. 3 variables. So when we substitute here in the given equation, what do we get? Y is equal to, this is u, this is v, this is w. U plus v minus w. After you get this equation, differentiate with respect to, यही equation को पहले differentiate करो. Differentiate with respect to x, what do you get? Differentiate meaning what? Take d by dx everywhere. So what do you get? dy by dx. d by dx of u means du by dx. d by dx of v means dv by dx. d by dx of w means dw by dx. So this equation, getting this equation is important for this type. अभी ये प्रॉब्लम में ये तीन फंक्शन दिए हैं. Some other problem, some other function will be given. But if you have plus or minus in between, then call the functions as u, v and w. Do not take logs in the very first step. Then dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. यहाँ पे differentiate किया. d by dx, d by dx, d by dx, d by dx. This is our equation. You can call this as equation 1. इसको 2 बोलो. Right? So after getting equation 1, what do we do? First find du by dx. ये find करना है. How do you find du by dx? These are three simple problems in one problem. du by dx find करो, dv by dx find करो, dw by dx find करो, substitute the values, it's over. So how do you find du by dx? Naturally, consider this equation. U is equal to x raised to x. U is equal to x raised to x का derivative कैसे लोगे? Because it is x raised to x, now you have to take logs on both sides. अभी logarithmic differentiation actually यहाँ पे आ गया. X raised to x we had solved 2 days back derivative, but it was y is equal to x raised to x. Now we are taking u is equal to x raised to x because y is already there on the left hand side. So let's solve it again. So u is equal to x raised to x means now take logs on both sides. So दोनों तरफ log लिया तो क्या आता है? Log of u is equal to log of x raised to x. The other day we had log of y is equal to log of x raised to x. Then what is the rule of log? Only one rule. X सामने आता है. So log of u is equal to x log x. This is our equation. After which we are going to differentiate with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x means दोनों तरफ d by dx लेंगे. d by dx of log of u is equal to d by dx of x log x. LHS d by dx, RHS d by dx. परसों का याद है क्या? x into log x means product rule. x into product of two functions means product rule use करना है. Second time we are solving. First time हो गया है परसों. Okay. अभी बोलो. What is d by dx of log u? Think over. d by dx of log u याद है किसको? What is the derivative of any log? Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of log y, परसों देखा था. Derivative of log y 1 upon y dy by dx. भूल गए क्या? 1 upon y dy by dx. Derivative of log y 1 upon y नहीं सिर्फ dy by dx भी लेना है. Derivative of log u क्या रहेगा? Derivative of d by dx of log u क्या रहेगा? 1 upon u du by dx. Same as this. उसको 1 upon y बोला, इधर 1 upon u du by dx आ गया. So derivative of log u 1 upon u du by dx. Right hand side परसों क्या लिखा था? x into log x means product of two functions. Product of two function का derivative means product rule. Product rule क्या है? First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. यहाँ पे देखो. First function derivative of second plus second function derivative of first. So x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of x. बात खत्म. So 1 upon u du by dx. X into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Formula. Plus log x into d by dx of x is 1. Our favorite formula. So x gets cancelled here. x cancel होने के बाद क्या? u को ट्रांसफर करना है इधर ऊपर. Logarithmic differentiation में you have to transfer after taking logs. In the final step, du by dx is transfer u on the RHS. यहाँ पे गया like this. और ब्रैकेट में क्या है? 1 plus log x. So don't forget to transfer the value of u. सिर्फ ट्रांसफर करके उसको छोड़ना नहीं. Substitute the value of u. What is the value of u? X given. X raised to x को u बोला है हमने. So u is x raised to x. So don't forget to substitute that value. So final answer for du by dx is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. समझ में आया? This is one answer. Right? Now we will find out dv by dx and dw by dx. चलो स्टार्ट करो. लेट अस फाइंड dw by dx and dv by dx. क्या आंसर है आता है देखेंगे. इसको टाइम नहीं लगने वाला. क्यों टाइम नहीं लगने वाला ये आप बताओ. dv by dx चालू करेंगे अभी. To find dv by dx. dv by dx के लिए consider the equation of y. Consider the equation of v. डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. आप बोलोगे अभी log क्यों नहीं लिया? रेस टू x है तो log क्यों नहीं लिया? यहाँ पे दिया है ना x raised to x we had no choice, but 5 raised to x we have choice because friends there is a very basic formula which we have learnt in the 11th standard that I am writing. Direct formula आ गया है. d by dx of a raised to x. See, use a raised to x log a. Therefore, d by dx of 5 raised to x. a की जगह 5 है. So direct if we use the formula 5 raised to x log 5. That formula we have to use here. So let us differentiate and use the formula directly. इसीलिए log लेने की जरूरत नहीं because direct formula आ गया है. Even if you take log, एक log दोनों तरफ लिया तो same answer आने वाला है, but not required now. So differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of LHS equal to d by dx of RHS. So dv by dx. d by dx of 5 raised to x फॉर्मूला लिखा है 5 raised to x log 5. डायरेक्ट आंसर आ गया. और dw by dx. dw by dx के लिए let us consider equation of w. थर्ड फंक्शन को w बोला है. e raised to 8x. Simple formula. One more formula. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to. First we'll differentiate on both sides. दोनों तरफ डेरिवेटिव लिया, क्या आता है देखो, which formula? Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, so I'll write the formula. तो अभी e raised to 8x का डेरिवेटिव बोलो आप, नेचुरली आप बोलोगे e raised to x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to x, e raised to 8x का डेरिवेटिव क्या पूछ रहे हो सर, e raised to 8x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to 8x, बस इतना ही है क्या, इसीलिए पूछा. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to 8x is e raised to 8x. डोंट फॉरगेट into d by dx of 8x also. x के जगह 8x है ना, तो कॉम्पोजिट फंक्शन हो गया है. So e raised to 8x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to 8x, but don't forget into d by dx of 8x, because instead of x you have got 8x. So don't forget these things. ये कैसा करोगे, ओरल 8 कांस्टेंट बाजू को रखना है. Derivative of d by dx of x is 1. So dw by dx. एट e raised to 8x. 8 सामने रख लिया तो अच्छा है, मतलब बेटर वे ऑफ राइटिंग. So e raised to 8x का डेरिवेटिव e raised to 8x into d by dx of 8x. Get used to chain rule. हो गया. All three answers we have got. अभी क्या करना है? Substitute all three answers in equation 1. Just copy paste. Write the answer. As I told, for all log problems the answer looks big, but it is just three small sums solved. Small मतलब पहला x raised to x took some time. Second and third were simple. Just put those answer over there. That will give you the final answer. So please write down. Substituting all three answers in equation 1. यहाँ पे. Substituting all three answers in equation 1. Final answer लिख रहा हूँ. So final answer. देखो. du by dx. x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Left hand side automatic we have got dy by dx. आ गया, don't worry. du by dx को कॉपी पेस्ट करो. x raised to x into 1 plus log x. dv by dx का आंसर आ गया 5 raised to x log 5. डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला a raised to x log a, d by dx of a raised to x. dw by dx का आंसर ऑलरेडी आ गया है 8 e raised to 8x minus 8 e raised to 8x. You can't simplify any further. This is the final answer. So how do you recognize the type today? You are having plus or minus sign in between. और यहाँ पे important note क्या है? Do not take logs on both sides at the very first step. You have to call u, v, w. Get this equation. dy by dx equal to du by dx plus dv by dx minus dw by dx. Then find each individually. And then just substitute the answers. So ये tricky in the sense, problem is not difficult, but you have to recognize the type correct. Log पहले क्यों लेने का है? I have explained that step. Study this. These are the three types which all together finishes logarithmic differentiation. तीन टाइप के अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम्स है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टाइम we'll start with derivatives of inverse trigonometric function or maybe implicit function. तीन टाइप और है derivatives के, right? So solve again. कुछ डाउट आए तो you are free to ask me. We'll meet in a day or two. Bye. See you.